Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're going to take a look at the VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP is an Excel function to search for the value you specified and return a matching value from another column in the table. In this example, I have a table that contains some items and price information. If you want to get the product name or price based on the item code, we can do it very quickly by VLOOKUP. So I have picked cell for us to define the item we need. Then I will pick a cell to display the product. Now what I'm going to do is to type the VLOOKUP formula on that cell, equals to VLOOKUP, open bracket. So in the first parameter, we should specify the value we want to look up, comma, and then select the range where we want to look for it. Comma. And the third parameter is the column number in the range containing the value to return. When we use VLOOKUP, we need to provide a column index starting from the left. So the first column in our table is 1 and the second is 2. So input 2 here, comma. And the final parameter is to choose if the value should be approximately match or exactly match. If we select true, it means approximately match, and false means exact match. So we'll choose false and close the bracket, enter. So we can see that the product name is displayed based on the value we have specified. If we change it, the information is also changed. So now we can do it again to get the price, equals to VLOOKUP, and then we choose the value again, comma, the area we want to look for the value, comma, and this time the column index is 3, 1, 2, 3, exact match, close the bracket. Great. So the value is displayed. We can change the value to check if the formula works fine. Great. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helps, please give me a thumbs up. See you.